Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to move photos to iCloud. If you are using an iPhone and now you want to move your photos to iCloud, so let's see how we can do this. You just have to open your phone settings, then go to Apple ID and here go to iCloud. In iCloud you can see there's our 5 GB of iCloud. You can upgrade for more storage, tap on it, and this pop-up will be show. You just have to select one of them to buy, and after that you just have to tap on see all, and here select iCloud photos, and here you must have to enable this one setting. When you enable it, it will automatically upload your all photos or move your all photos to iCloud, and then you can easily delete photos from your phone. And the photos will not take your phone storage, but your photos will be safe. You will not never lose them. So that's how you can move photos to iCloud. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.